Tori Spelling can't spend Valentine's Day with her family due to work, but the actress recently spent plenty of time with her loved ones helping out as they recovered from COVID. Tori Spelling, 48, opened up about the domino effect she experienced as husband Dean McDermott, 55, and their 5 kids together, Liam, Stella, Hattie, Finn, and Beau, all tested positive for COVID-19 in early January. As the Beverly Hills, 90210 alum promotes her latest partnership with Hydroxycut, she sat down exclusively with Hollywood Life and dished on her family's recent health battle with coronavirus. So the kids were getting sick and like it was like a domino effect, the mom of 5 said. I just thought, it's winter, kids have colds, and then all of a sudden they had high fevers. I think I even was on Instagram with my kids and I was like, they have a high fever. I didn't think it was COVID because we hadn't been anywhere. And then we took the at-home test and all of a sudden, it was positive. I was lucky because they all had the major symptoms. And then mine started like 2 days later, so I was like, thank goodness. On January 7th, Tori took to Instagram and revealed that her entire family was sick. But since Tori was the last family member to feel symptoms, she was able to take care of everybody those first few days. However, her family isn't out of the woods as they're still experiencing lasting effects of the virus. Related gallery. Pregnant celebrities in bikinis, see photos of Tori Spelling, Emily Ratajkowski and more. You know, people think with kids like it's one and done, and that it's done very quickly. For most of January, they felt really lethargic, low energy. But now we're doing good, she explained while dishing on her upcoming 90s-themed workout alongside former football stars Anthony Munoz and Mark Schlereth to commemorate the last time the Super Bowl was held in Southern California in 1993. I'm excited to get back to my health, wellness and workout routine for 2022. And I'm really excited because this event is open to the public and it's free. It's on February 12th, from 11:30 to 12:30 p.m. PT in downtown Louisiana at Grand Park. I hope everyone joins me, it's going to be really fun. Super Bowl 56 is set for February 13th at SoFi Stadium in Inglewood, California, marking the first time the title game has been played in the Los Angeles area since 1993. So Tori teamed up with Hydroxycut, one of America's most popular weight loss supplement brands, to help fans tackle America's second highest food consumption holiday, behind Thanksgiving. The numbers are crazy. I don't know if anyone really understands. Like, 1.4 billion wings are consumed that day and like 11 million pounds of potato chips. It's just crazy numbers. I understand people want to have a fun day. I just think being able to manage it is the way to go. I think Hydroxycut is the perfect answer because if you do that, if you do your exercise, like do it in the morning before the Super Bowl's on, you take 3 gummies before 2 of your biggest meals of the day, and with exercise and a really moderate diet. I think it's a great thing for people and it's not intense, it's easy. It's simple. They've made it simple. And you know, their thing is no fats, just weight loss and it works.